how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another backyard garden of ours, and this one is going to be a food forest. We have about 20 different fruit trees going in, different bushes as well. So lots of variety and different sources for food for the homeowner. What you're seeing here, what this gentleman is in, he's in the bottom of our basin. We're going to have a water feature here. The homeowner is picking out a statue. It's going to go on top of that green valve box. If you notice, we have some redwood 2x4s here. These are just temporary braces right here, just so we have the same distance. In the end, it's going to look like the choice statue of the homeowner. There's going to be a curtain of rain falling from side to side here in front of it. So whatever statue she decides to get, it'll have that water feature element in the garden to not only look good, but will also attract the birds, butterflies, bees, all those guys there. And to go ahead and make it waterproof or watertight to make that redwood really last, if you notice, we're doing a couple test sections here. And we're gonna char the wood, depending on what look we're going for. Really black or not so black. I think the particular design for this one is really black. This is just a test piece here, and by charring it, it does two things. One, it looks good. It gives it that designer feel, really attractive visually. And then two, it also helps waterproof the wood. When you burn it, it will help keep the water out from penetrating deep into the wood. Then we're gonna put a coat of linseed oil on top of that to protect the wood even further. So this is just the open surgery part of our water feature here. We're gonna button it up tomorrow. We are powering it with a solar powered pump. So no electrical bill. We have a solar powered pump there. We're gonna have a panel to the right of it as well. And that panel, we're gonna go ahead and leave exposed. We like to encourage everybody to try to use as much sustainable products as you can. The sun, it's always producing energy. We're gonna use that to power our water feature. So we'll do another video on this another food forest here in the South Bay. When you think sustainability and food forest, think Enviroscape LA.